Phải rầu nó ha. Catherine.
Downstairs is the world famous Jennifer, ready to serve up all of your favorite snacks and beverages, cookies, crackers, candy and chips, bottled water, soft drinks, and ice cold beer. And what goes better with beer than life jackets? Life jackets are located up here on the top deck underneath the padded seats. They are for emergency use only. In the event of an actual emergency, crew members will give you instructions on what to do. Please use the handrails while going up and down the stairs. Do not allow children to run, jump. Al salir del Rainbow Harbor, ingresamos al desembocadura del Río de Los Ángeles. Agua dulce en nuestra derecha y agua salada en nuestra izquierda. As we exit Rainbow Harbor, we enter the Los Angeles River. This is the mouth of the LA River, right here. Fresh water on our right-hand side, salt water on our left. This river began its journey 75 miles on the Pacific, the mouth of the LA River. monument to maritime history right here. Absolutely beautiful. Hotel operations are going on, dining, bars, entertainment, tours on board, ghosts, the whole thing. World famous Queen Mary. I know nobody's listening to me because of all the swimsuit action going on over there. I gotta say it anyway. Más grande y más allá volado, el hidroavión de guerra llamado Hercules, proyecto de la Segunda Guerra Mundial, que voló solamente una vez aquí mismo en Long Beach durante aproximadamente un minuto. On the other side of Queen Mary is a large white dome built to hold the biggest airplane that ever flew, Howard Hughes' giant wooden seaplane called Hercules, World War II era troop and cargo transport. The war ended 2 years before the plane was ready to fly. Nevertheless, it had to be tested to qualify for the government grant. So they did fly the plane, but only once, right here in Long Beach Harbor, and it only flew for 1 minute. That was enough. In 1983, when the city of Long Beach acquired Hercules, or Spruce Goose, the dome was built to house the plane in. Now it's a passenger terminal for cruise ships, and the airplane is in Oregon. All right, we're going to speed up now. Señores, cuidado, los sombreros. Señoras, álguense las pestañas. Shapes are not only decorative, they are sound deflectors so that beachgoers cannot hear the machinery.